Hey guys, this is a gun enthusiast. I got the Multitool Leatherman Wave. Let's go check it out. Alright guys, so I got this Multitool. This is going to be the Leatherman Wave. Now this one did come out a few years ago, but this is still very popular. Now everyone knows that a Multitool can be very handy in different situations, guys. So it's good to have it part of your EDC, either on your person or in your bug out bag, wherever you wish to carry it. In my opinion, this is going to be a must. So let's check it out and see what it has. Alright guys, so let's see this. So to start out, in the tip, so up here, you're going to have the needle nose pliers. Here you got your regular pliers. Down here, you got your hardwire cutters. And then further down here at the end, you're going to have your wire cutters. So if we close this up, on this side you got your 420 high carbon serrated knife. You got your saw. On this side you got your 420 high carbon knife. And also you have wood metal file, and on the back side or on the other side you got your diamond coated file. Now we open it up. On this side you got your spring action scissors, and then you have a small bit driver like for eyeglasses, a little screwdriver, flathead screwdriver right there. And then flathead screwdriver, guys. Alright, so you also have a ruler on both sides on the frame. You got a ruler. Alright guys, so on this side, let's see, you got your can opener, your bottle opener. You also have a wire stripper right there, guys. Hopefully you guys can see that, but you can use that. It's a wire stripper. And then here you got your large bit driver. You got a bit and you pull it out. You got your Phillips and your flathead screwdriver. Another thing I wanted to show you guys is you also, when you open it, you got a little liner lock that locks it. So you got your liner lock here for your blades. And also, whenever you open, you know, like if you pull out your little scissors or whatever, it locks in place. You got a lock back system that locks your tools on this side, and then all you got to do is just push it and it releases. Pretty good system. So it locks them in place. You can probably hear that when it locks. So this is going to be part of my EDC. It does come with a nylon sheath for it. You know, it's got, I've seen videos that you order like a little kit of bits here for your screwdriver. You know, different bits, and then, you know, you put them in here. You got little different pouches. So you can order like different accessories for it, and you can put them in here in this all these little pouches. And so I wish I can get like I don't know if it's possible, I have to look it up, but I wish I can buy like a little belt clip instead of using the sheath for it. If I can buy like a little belt clip, but I don't know if they if they offer it for this multi-tool. I could just slip it in between my knife, but you know, I'm gonna be using it. I'm gonna use it on my belt. I think it's a must-have. This is the Leatherman Wave. It's an awesome multi-tool. And this one, you know, everyone knows Leatherman multi-tools are going to be pretty high quality. They're expensive. This one, the price is going to vary between $70, $75 and up. So they're pretty expensive. I went and saw them. They got some between $30 and $100. So it's just whatever you're looking for. There's going to be different prices for the one you're interested in. So guys, this is going to be the Leatherman Wave. This is my review on it. I think it's a must-have. I think everybody should have one in their EDC. So, I appreciate you guys watching. Like, share, and subscribe.